Hello and welcome to 7 Sense Aptitude Prep. I am Vinod Prabhu and this is the second video on ages. If you not watched the first video, I request you to watch the first video in this playlist, which has concepts and some basic problems. Here we look at problems of the type x times the age or x times more than the age. Okay, let us see what they mean. If we have these two statements, mother's age is 4 times the age of her son and mother's age is 4 times more than the age of her son. Do these statements mean the same or are they different? They are different. Mother's age is 4 times the age of the son means, let us say mother's age is m, son's age is s. Mother's age is 4 times son's age. So if son is 10, mother is 4 times 10, mother will be 40. Now in the second statement, mother's age is 4 times more than the age of her son. Mother will be 4 times more than the age of her son. Okay, so this would mean 5s. 5 into 10, 50. Mother is 4 times son's age. Mother is 4 into s. Mother is 4 times more than the age of her son. Mother is 4s plus s. Mother is 5s. Okay, so just remember this concept when we are solving problems here. I am 2 times the age of my daughter. Let us say this is me. This is the daughter. So my age and daughter's age, right? Let us say you can write my daughter's age as x, my age is 2x. Correct? 15 years hence, which means in the future, daughter's age will be x plus 15, my age will be 2x plus 15, and that ratio is given as 3:2. 2x plus 15 by x plus 15 is 3/2. So we have 4x plus 30 equals 3x plus 45. X is equal to 15. So that is the daughter's current age. My age then, or rather the person who calls himself I, will be 2x. So that will be 30. Sum of the current ages. So these are our current ages. The question was sum of our current ages. You do 15 plus 30. Then the answer would have been 45. Our current ages is daughter and me. Me meaning I. So these are the person and the daughter are age 30 and 15 respectively. Problem 10. Sulu tells her daughter, I was as old as you are at the time of your birth. Sulu is 42 years old now. What is the age of the daughter? 10 years ago. We have Sulu and we have the daughter. Let us say the daughter is aged X now. Okay, so this is now daughter is aged X. This is at the time of the birth. Okay. Now, let us say daughter's age currently is X. Sulu is 42 years old now. When the daughter is born, daughter's age is 0, right? Because the age is not, 1 year is not complete. What would Sulu's age be? X years ago. What is Sulu's age? 42 minus X, right? Now daughter is X, which means she was born X years ago. X years ago, Sulu's age is 42 minus X. So what does this statement mean? I was as old as you are at the time of your birth. At the time of your birth, Sulu's age is 42 minus X. Her age here was, I was as old as you. So as you are, meaning as you are currently, at the time of your birth, I was as old as you are now. So 2x is equal to 42, x is equal to 21. So daughter's age is 21. So if you see, Sulu is 42 now, daughter is 21 now. When daughter was born 21 years ago, Sulu was also 42 minus 21 and 21. So it is correct. You can verify. So what is the age of the daughter 10 years ago? Daughter's current age is 21. 10 years ago, 21 minus 10, so 11 years. Okay, so this is answer 11. In 10 years, A will be twice B's age 10 years ago. So in 10 years is also another way of saying 10 years in the future, or 10 years hence, or 10 years after. So if you say A's age is X and B's age is Y, current age. Okay, so we say current as in present, both are the same, present and current. A is X and B is Y. In 10 years, so future, okay, future is 10 years, 10 plus, right? So future, A's age is X plus 10. Past, B's age 10 years ago, so 10 minus, right? Past is minus, so B's age is Y minus 10. So currently they are X and Y. In 10 years in the future, A's age will be X plus 10. 10 years in the past, B's age will be Y minus 10. Okay, so what does it say? 10 years, A will be twice B's age 10 years ago. So 10 years, A will be twice of B's age 10 years ago. This is the first equation. The other equation is A is 9 years older than B. If nothing is specified, it means it is the present. So X is equal to Y plus 9. A is 9 years older than B. This is A. This is 9 plus B. Now if you simplify that, current age of B, so you need to find what is Y. So you, instead of X, you substitute Y plus 9. Y plus 9 plus 10 equal to 2Y minus 20. Okay, so you get, when you substitute, you get Y is equal to 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 9, 39. Y is 39. When you substitute that here, you get X is 48. If they had asked for current age of A, you would have written 48. Now they have asked current age of B, which is. So look at this. Present ages of X and Y is given as 7 times their difference. So if you do past, present and future, you get X and Y here, right? In the present, you get sum of their present ages. X plus Y is equal to 7 times their difference. When you open 7x minus x and 7y plus y, right? So y 8y is equal to 6x, x by y is equal to 4 by 3. What this means is, you could write this as x by y is 4a, x is 4a and y is 3a, right? So x by y is 4 by 3. Now in the future, a is a number which is unknown for now. 5 years hence, this will be x plus 5, this will be y plus 5. 5 years hence, the sum of their ages, x plus y plus y plus 5, the sum of their ages is 9 times the difference. So 9 times x minus y, or 9 times x plus y minus of y plus 5 will be the same. So you will get 9 times x minus y, or it could even be 9 times x plus y minus y plus 5. This is the same. Both are the same. Okay, these two are equivalent. Difference will remain the same, right? So you get, for x you substitute 4a plus 5, plus for y you substitute 3a plus 5 is equal to 9 into x, 9 into 4a minus 9y, 9 into 3a. 4a plus 3a, 7a plus 10 is equal to 9 and 4, 36a minus 27a. So you would get 10 equal to 9a minus 7a, which is 2a. So a is equal to 5. Present age of the two people will be this. You've solved a. You need x and y. So x is equal to 4 into a, 20, and y is equal to 3 into a, 15, 3 into 5. So young present age of the younger person is 15. Do not write the answer as 5. Present ages are x and y, and the relation between x and a is given by this table. Neighbor's age is 4 years more than 4 times my age. Let us say my age is X, present, past, future. My age is X, neighbor's age is 4 years more than 4 times my age. 4 times my age is 4x, 4 years more than that. This is the neighbor's age. Okay, this is the neighbor's present age. So we have present age is x and 4x plus 4. So neighbor's age, which is y, is equal to 4x plus 4. Now 6 years later, which is in the future, what would their ages be? This person's age would be in the future. I write future here. In the future, this person's age would be x plus 6, right? Now the neighbor's age is 4x plus 4. 6 years later, it will be 4x plus 4 plus 6, which is equal to 4x plus 10. So you have my age as x plus 6, my age in the future, 6 years later, and this is neighbor's age, 6 years in the future. Now what is the relation? He will be 2 years more than 3 times my age. So 4x plus 10 is equal to 2 years more than 3 times my age plus 2. See, my age is x currently. Neighbor's age currently is 4 years more than 4 times my age. So 4x plus 4. 6 years later, I add 6 here. X becomes x plus 6. 4x plus 4 becomes 4x plus 10. Now neighbor's age, they have said 4x plus 10 is 2 years more than 3 times what is my age? 3x plus 6. Don't write x here. We are comparing now in the future only. So my age will be x plus 6. 3 times my age plus 2 will be the neighbor's age. So if you simplify, you will get 3x plus 18 plus 2 is 20. 4x plus 10. X is equal to 10. Find my neighbor's age as well as my current age. My age is 10. Neighbor is 4x plus 4, which is the present age, right? 4x plus 4. My age is 10. Neighbor's age is 4 into 10 plus 4. Okay, 4x plus 4 is the neighbor's age. 4 into 10 plus 4, 40 plus 4, 44. So this is neighbor's age. This is my age. Okay, 10 and 44. Next question. 5 years ago, daughter's age was past, present, and future. So let us say 5 years ago, daughter's age was 1/3 the mother's age. So if you take daughter's age as x, you'll say daughter is x present. 5 years ago, daughter is x minus 5. What is that equal to? 1/3 the mother's age. So we have daughter as x minus y is 1/3 the mother's age, is 1/3 of the mother's age. Mother's age is y minus 5. Let us say mother is y. So 5 years ago, your daughter is x, mother is y. Present. Okay, so this is present. 5 years ago, subtract x minus 5 for the daughter, y minus 5 for the mother. Daughter's age is 1/3 mother's age. Correct? 1/3 mother's age. 10 years hence. So daughter 10 years hence will become x plus 10. Mother will become y plus 10. You now have x plus 10. Daughter's age is half mother's age. Okay, you have daughter's age is half mother's age. And if you solve the equation, cross multiply 3x minus 15 is equal to y minus 5. So we get 3x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. Other equation here, this is equation 1. 2x plus 20 is equal to y plus 10. So we get 2x minus y plus 10 equal to 0. This is 2. And then you change signs. Okay, change signs here. And add 1 and 2. 3x minus 2x becomes x. Minus y plus y gets cancelled. And minus 10 and minus 10. X minus 20 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20. Okay, that is the daughter's age. And then you will have the mother's age being 10, 10, 10, 10. So you got an X equals 20, which is the daughter's current age. Daughter's current age. What is asked? Find the difference in their current ages. So you substitute that in any equation, like you substitute that in this equation, 3x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. X equals 20. If you substitute here, you get 60 minus y minus 10 equal to 0. Y is equal to 50. So their current ages are 20 and 50. So the difference is 30. Let us see if the statements can be checked. So daughter is now 20, mother is now 50. 5 years ago, daughter was 15, mother was 45. And does it stand scrutiny? 5 years ago, daughter's age was 1/3 mother's age. Correct. Daughter is 15, which is 1/3 of 45. 10 years hence. So this is now 10 years hence, daughter will be 30, mother will be 60. Daughter's age is half mother's age. So what we have solved is indeed correct. Teacher is 4 times. Why have I written this in the bracket? It's the same. 4 times the age of the student or 3 times more than the age of the student. So past, present, future. Let us say student is X. Teacher is 4X. Okay. After 4 years, student is X plus 4. Teacher is 4x plus 4. Don't do, this is wrong. It is not, then it will be 4x plus 16. So this is wrong. But write it as 4x plus 4. This gets added, 4 gets added here. Okay, 4x plus 4. Now what is he saying? 4x plus 4, which is the teacher's age, is equal to 3 times the age of the student. So if you solve, 4x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 12. X is equal to 12 minus 4, 8. So presently the student is 8 and the teacher is 4 times 8. Student and then teacher. Teacher is 4 times 8. Teacher is 32. After a further 4 years, teacher would be how many times? What is the age of the teacher 4 years from now? Teacher becomes 32 plus 4, 36. Student becomes 8 plus 4, 12. Teacher would be how many times student's age? Teacher is 3 times student's age. This is after 4 years. Currently, she is 4 times student's age. Okay, that is what 4 times. You can verify that here. And after further 4 years, she is 3 times the student's age. Shilpa married 10 years ago. Her present age, so Shilpa's current age, if it is X, 10 years ago past, we have X minus 10. What is it given? Her present age X is 1.5 times. Okay, 1.5, you can write it as 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into her age at the time of her marriage. Right? She married 10 years ago. So her present age is 1.5 times her age at the time of the marriage. Her age at the time of the marriage is X minus 10. Okay. So substitute, cross multiply. 2x is equal to 3x minus 30. X is equal to 30. Her son is now 1/6 her age. Current age is 30. Shilpa's current age is 30. Her son is now 1/6 her age. So 1/6 into 30. Son's age 1/6 into 30. So son is currently 5. So this is son's current age. Find the ratio of her son's age to her age after 5 years. So this is all current age. After 5 years, what do you get? After 5 years, Shilpa is 30 plus 5, 35. Son is 5 plus 5, 10. What is the ratio of Shilpa's age to son's age is equal to 35 by 10. You can either write it as divide by 5, you can either write it as 7:2 or 3.5:1. Ratio is 7:2. In a family, age of the father is 5 times the age of the son, past, present and future. Age of the father is 5 times, so son, if he is x, father is 5x. So this is son, father, daughter is half the age of the mother, husband is 10 years older than the wife. So wife will be, meaning mother is 10 years younger than the father. Father is 5x, wife is 10 years younger. Husband is 10 years older, means wife is 10 years younger. Son is half the age of the daughter. So daughter is 2x. Okay. A father is 5 times the age of the son. So father is 5x, son is x. Daughter is half the age of the mother. So I have 2x equals, now I can do something. Daughter is half the age of the mother. So 2x is equal to half of 5x minus 10. So I get 4x is equal to 5x minus 10. X is equal to 10. So son is 10, father is 50, mother is 40, daughter is... We solved quite a few problems on ages in this particular video, and you know now how to frame simple equations, you know how to solve them, you know if something is x times, you know something is x times more than, you know how to go from the past, present and the future. So a foundation in ages is very, very strong. So you watch 2 videos on ages. The next 2 videos will complicate things a little bit more. So if you haven't subscribed to us, I request you to subscribe to our channel if you find it useful, and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any videos. Also request you to like and give us your appreciation or feedback in the comments, and also share it with your friends. People who have not heard of us, please spread the word. And if you need to practice tests, be it module specific or company specific, please visit our website 7senstalent.com, sign up, log in, and you will get access to a whole host of resources.